What's up, y'all? We back with another review. Y'all know how we do. We like to get in, get out, keep it short and sweet, right to the point. So if you're visiting the Buckhead area, here's a cool place that you might want to check out. So immediately we're doing first impressions. As soon as we got to the elevator, I just knew this was about to be a fancy place. Now we get upstairs and it is so beautiful. This is a rooftop restaurant. It's overlooking the city. It is so beautiful. And let me tell you, when my waiter came through, okay? We had the best seating in the house, literally. Shout out to our waiter. If you're watching this, you are an amazing waiter. You made our experience a memorable moment, and we deeply appreciate your service, for you are an essential worker during these unprecedented times. From just smiling and getting our food out to us quickly and hot, I mean, you were amazing, okay? So let's jump into this review. I ordered the lamb chop special. Now it comes with the side of butter beans. I'm not too crazy about butter beans, but let me tell y'all, these were some good butter beans, okay? We had a couple of drinks, and we also let the kids do their own, you know, their little review on some gourmet chicken tenders.
Hey, just tell me, what is it from? Like, really good? Like, the best chicken?
10.
And we it's a 10 to 10? So you know what time it is. It's rating time. All in all, our experience was amazing. Like it was super amazing. I've never, you know, experienced anything like this. The prices are pretty reasonable, but I'm going to be really transparent with you guys because, you know, I do everything with my children. Yes, kids are allowed. This is something more so for like a date night or like a special occasion. I would recommend this place definitely.
Oh yeah, don't forget to like and share. If y'all enjoy this content of my Mama Gun Book, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell.